Hey guys, welcome to Kuang Si Waterfalls in Luang Prabang. The waterfalls are about a 25k ride out of Luang Prabang. It took us about half an hour to get here. There are a series of multi-tiered waterfalls that you walk up until you get to a massive one right at the end. When you first come in, there's a little moon bear sanctuary that they've set up. It's a non-for-profit, and they've basically rescued these moon bears before they get to the bio farms. If you want to know more about the bio farms, I've actually made a video of one of the bio farm sanctuaries in Vietnam. I'll link that down below. The waterfalls themselves are quite pretty. They're like this really kind of clear blue water that we haven't seen so far while we've been in Laos. The waterfall's open from 8 o'clock in the morning until about 5:30 at night, and it costs 20,000 kip per person to actually get into them. So yeah, we'll show you guys around here and we'll see what it's like. So when you get to the top of the waterfalls, it opens up into like all these cascading pools and some massive pools that you can swim in. They're so cool. There were tons of people that were swimming up there, so a hot day definitely worth bringing your bathers up. It's a hot trek to the top, so definitely do that. So now we're going to go back down the other side of the waterfalls, head back into town, have a bit of a rest, and we'll go out to the night market a little bit later on.
It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee.
We've come out to Mount Fauci now, I think it's pronounced Fauci, to watch the sunset before we head into the night market. Walking up these steps here, there's tons of cool golden Buddhas and little temples all the way up, so it costs 20,000 kip per person to walk right up to the top of the mountain as well. So let's head up and we'll check the sunset out. So we've come down to the night market now. There's a really cool food alley that you can get all sorts of different foods from. We've both got a hot dog each for about $2.50 and a beer as well. So yeah, we're gonna have a bit of dinner here and then head out and check out the night market. Alright, so that was the waterfalls, the temple on top of the hill, and Luang Prabang's night market. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye!